Welcome to the new episode of Technology and Electronics News. I'm your host Pavel Yankovich, bringing you the latest updates from the world of hardware. Let's explore together. China's semiconductor imports jumped 14.8% this year, reaching 501 billion units by November and valued at $349 billion, up 10.5%. This surge comes as the US tightens sanctions on advanced chips and tools critical for AI and military tech. New restrictions have also added 140 Chinese chip firms to the entity list. Meanwhile, China's chip exports grew over 11%, showing strength in legacy chip production. In response, China launched an antitrust investigation into NVIDIA, signaling escalating trade tensions. Global semiconductor equipment sales are projected to hit $113 billion in 2024, a 6.5% increase from last year, and could reach $139 billion by 2026, according to SEMI. AI and advanced memory technologies like DRAM and high-bandwidth memory are driving this growth. Wafer fab equipment sales are expected to bring in $101 billion this year, while back-end equipment is recovering with strong demand for testing and packaging. China is leading investments, with $49 billion projected in 2024. Those shifts in regional dynamics may impact the market in 2025. SEMI calls these investments vital for innovation and global progress. Intel's leadership shakeup has raised questions about its direction. Following CEO Pat Gelsinger's exit, temporary co-CEO suggested a possible manufacturing spin-off. CFO David Zinsner confirmed the manufacturing arm is now a standalone subsidiary, but full separation remains undecided. The next CEO will face tough decisions, including addressing costly mistakes like outsourcing Lunar Lake chips to TSMC. All eyes are on Intel's 18A process as it competes with AMD and TSMC. Google has unveiled its quantum processor Willow, capable of solving problems in 5 minutes that would take supercomputers longer than the age of the universe. Its breakthrough lies in error correction, reducing errors as qubits are added, a first for quantum computing. Willow has 105 high-quality qubits with 5 times better stability than previous chips. Fabricated in Google's Santa Barbara facility, Willow promises breakthroughs in science, medicine, and finance. Following its announcement, Alphabet's shares rose 5%. Semiconductors remain central to global politics. In the Netherlands, a former ASML employee linked to Russia is accused of stealing chip manuals to support Russian chip production. Meanwhile, US-made Texas Instruments chips are being smuggled into Russia and found in military equipment like Iskander missiles and guided bombs. Shadow networks and intermediaries reroute these chips through third countries, bypassing sanctions. Despite being limited to 65nm chip production, Russia is aiming for 7nm lithography by 2028. The US is working to disrupt these supply chains, targeting networks across Europe and Central Asia that support Russia's military. Synopsys is moving forward with its $35 billion plan to buy Ansys, one of the biggest tech deals since Broadcom's VMware acquisition. To gain EU approval, Synopsys will sell its Optical Solutions Group to Keysight Technologies and its PowerArtist software. A final decision is expected by January 10th. Separately, Synopsys is collaborating with Japan's Rapidus to develop 2nm chip technology. Using AI tools and big data, they aim to speed up design and improve manufacturing accuracy. Finally, LG has stopped making Blu-ray players, with remaining stock available until it sells out. This follows similar moves by Oppo and Samsung in recent years, as streaming replaces physical media. While LG hinted at a possible return if demand grows, this marks another step away from physical formats. Digital media, however, has its risks. Cases like Sony removing purchased content show how easily access can be revoked. Panasonic remains one of the few companies still supporting Blu-ray. Those are the main updates we have for today. Thank you for joining us on Technology and Electronics News. See you in the next episode after the Christmas holidays break.